In this short video, we'll have a look at adding text boxes and sticky notes onto your Freeform board. So to get the text box on the very top toolbar, we're going to click on this icon. Annoyingly, it's put that text box right in the middle of my picture, but I can drag that off to one side and then simply click on there and start typing. On this one, I'm going to have places to visit. I'll make a second box as well, and I'll call that things to buy. Now they're in position, it's time to start editing this content, and Freeform has got a really cool way of doing this. Whenever you click on an object on your board, you get this little floating pill-shaped toolbar, and from here are some quick actions you can use on that content. Of course, you can still right-click and use the menu bar icon to the top, but a lot of what you want to do is right here on this toolbar. That means I can really easily change the font size to make the writing slightly bigger, and change the font colour as well. Freeform has got a built-in palette of colours, but of course being the Mac you can press more colours at the bottom and then use any of the system colours that you normally would use. We can also do the same for our font, and by clicking on here we get our full system font library, and we can use any of our own first-party or third-party fonts. Okay, that's looking really good. Let's quickly split the text over 2 lines by using Enter, and then what I'm going to do is I want to use that same style, the same font, the same colour, the same size, on my other text box. But rather than going through each of those properties manually, I'm simply going to right-click on the one that I like, select Copy Style, right-click on the other one, and press Paste Style. Just like that, our text boxes now match each other, and I can split that over 2 lines as well using my keyboard. There's a second way of adding text to your Freeform board, and that's by using these 3D style sticky notes. Again, from that top toolbar, you're going to click on this button, and that will put a yellow sticky note on your page for you. You can resize these to make them bigger and smaller, and you can start typing immediately, but you can't customize them in quite the same way as a text box. On that floating toolbar, you'll notice that we can change the colour of the note itself, so I'll go for green to make it stand out, and we can change some of the font properties as well, whether that be the size or the alignment, or perhaps the bold, italic and underlined options. We can't change the font, or the colour of the writing, but for this sticky note that's fine, it's just a quick way of jotting some ideas down for me on my board. In the next video, we'll have a quick look at adding shapes and shape styles to make our board a little bit more interesting with some imagery on there. So follow the link on the end screen to the next video, and I'll see you there in a moment.